head back. Put your hands down. Put your hands down. Come on, one more time. Move your feet. Put your hands all the way back. Head back. Head back. Got it?
Now I get out.
Look, let's do this. Look at this. You ready? Stay there. Stay there. Ready? Look, like this. Oh.
Put on. Again.
Ready? What do I do now? No, you can't break me. Can you break it?
Yes.
No, you can't.
I want to do that again. That one. Way back and jump on your tummy.
Jump up. Okay, jump both legs. Jump up. There you go. One more time. Jump up both legs. Okay, one more time. Jump up. And now push on your legs and get over. Push. Get higher, 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 higher. And now push on your legs. Push. Good job.
I want to join your tummy.
Now you attack. Now you attack. Running is attacking. 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 This is attacking. Oh, attack. You can't put everything in there. You have to be careful. If you just jump like me, jumping like that, I can do this. No? I can do this. Be careful when you're attacking. Be always sure that you can come back. What you doing?
I love you.
Oh, I love you too. That's your attack. I love you.
Yes.
Okay, that's not a ferocious attack, mister. You cannot just attack and say, I love you.
I love you. I love you.
Oh.
I love you. I love you. I love you. I was leave this up on your tummy.
Move your feet. Just put your back, put your hands back, all the way up, 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 up and back, and your head. There you go. Ouchie. You have to hold up with your hands. Don't let your head hit the ground, okay? Okay? Good job.
Oh, wait, you lean back and I jump on you.
Really?
Yes.
I'm gonna attack you now.
No.
What you doing?
I love you. I love you.
Okay, come here. Come here. Every time Tavis is attacking your legs, you jump back. You jump back. Good job. Now come back. Good job. But both legs. But fast. You have to jump back.
I love you.
Go.
I love you.
Go. What are you gonna do now?
Ah! No! What's up?